If you're bored with your bland concrete patio, then Ipe deck tiles from Advantage Lumber will provide a quick and elegant solution. This isn't just any wood. Ipe is an exotic hardwood that is 8 times harder than California redwood, and it's just flat out gorgeous. Laying your deck tiles is an easy DIY upgrade. Here's how it's done. Using deck tile connectors, you can transform your cold concrete patio into a warm, inviting atmosphere. Start by placing tiles along corners and walls with the connectors, but you must first score the connector. Use a utility knife along the grooves of a connector, then bend and snap the connector in half. Repeat this process to cut into quarters. These connectors give your entire space even gap spacing for a clean, elegant look. Installing your deck tiles couldn't be easier. Simply place the corners of your deck tile onto the black pine tree fasteners of the deck tile connectors, then press down to secure the tile in place. Continue this process in the style pattern of your choosing. Installing Advantage Lumber Ipe deck tiles is fast and easy. In less than a day, you can have your very own outdoor oasis. To order Ipe deck tiles and connectors, call 1-877-232-3915 or visit advantagelumber.com.